bleeding? I don't want its blood on. Ew! It made a hole in its ear. Ew! Is there? No.
Ew, he did grab his ear.
Yeah, it's gross. That's what you get when you bite a frog's face. Come on, Easy. Get the froggy. I'm gonna throw him at you. Oh!
Come on, get it.
Get him or I'm throwing him at you again. I'm gonna throw him at you. I'm gonna throw him at you.
Here, go, May.
Easy, here. Ready? Poof. That is totally YouTube worthy.
Oh, God. That was pretty
He's smacking it now. Oh, poor frog. Just put it out of its misery now. Let's just stop torturing
He really
him.
wants to fight him.
Dad, I just threw him on him and he like had a hissy fit. It was so
He
funny.
doesn't really know what to think. That's the problem.
Or he's just retarded. Get him.
Only possibility.
Ew, he just totally scratched.
Maybe the frog's retarded. Sweet. Walk away. I just don't want him to like
Get it.
slaughter it too much.
Throw it. Throw it easy. Good boy.
Good boy, he's killing a frog.
Ew, I can hear it. That's so gross. This is Chelsea's video.
She's probably like, oh yeah. Just drop him. Just drop him, Easy.
He stepped on the frog's face.
Throw it at him again.
Oh, I'm so sorry, Easy.
Get it.
Ah! Don't do that.
Grab
Just
and go.
put it out of its misery.
Grab and go.
He's grabbing its butt. He's like, ah!
He's like, what?
Why am I screaming?
Screams.
Because you could hear it go in there. It's like,
Oh my god, I wish I could. Let's bring
I'm
it
gonna laugh
over.
when it throws it at
Here.
you, Lana, and it lands in your lap.
Just, oh, I thought his arm was.
it's hard.
I know. Come get the froggy.
Oh, his hair in my eye.
I'm gonna read you.